I'm going to show you how to make a great face shield for less than $1. All you need is one eye strip and any transparent plastic sheet will do. I'm going to line up the top of the SpiderTech logo with the top of the plastic. First, I'm going to fold and then snap the backing paper. I'm going to stretch the tape onto the plastic. So I'm going to stretch it fully and then put it on. And right now, half of the tape is on the desk and half is on the plastic. So the top of the plastic is right here. Okay, I'm going to pull it off the desk, and then we want to curve it around that way. Hat on backwards, and last step is just lining the bottom of the tape up to the bottom of your hat. And there you go. That easy.